I have so many.
Txunamy, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my paper squishy collection. So without further ado, let's just get on to the video. So I'm going to start off with my jumbo squishies. So first I have this strawberry covered banana. This one is actually slow rising. Here's the back. So this one does have packaging. Almost all of my squishies actually have packaging. So yeah, this one is a strawberry and eye bloom strawberry covered banana. And I'm not sure if strawberry is an actual thing, liquidy. Okay, yeah. Next one. My next jumbo squishy is this jumbo Panda Bun, and this one is my most slow rising squishy that I have. So it says jumbo Panda Bun, and here's the back. I make all of the back and the front the same. My last jumbo squishy that I have is this eye bloom ice cream. This one, slow rising. It has a little rip right there, but yeah, I'm not sure where they came from, at all. So yeah, then we have my mini Lila ghost. This was my very first paper squishy that I've ever made, so it's not slow rising at all really. And it's not the same packaging, down here, you just open it. So yeah. Then we have this, so this one is a jumbo eye bloom donut. Huge, and it's kind of slow rising. So yeah. Alright, so moving on to my Puppetsu series. We have this pizza one. I got inspired by Chelsea DIY. So here it is, front and back. And this one is also very slow rising. Then my second one is this one. This was actually my very first Puppetsu that I made. And I know I spelled it wrong. I did that on purpose, okay? And this one isn't squishy at all, but yeah. And all this packaging does this. It has tape, and then if you rip it off from here, you just take it out. So yeah. My third one is this one. This one is actually super airy, and it doesn't have much stuffing inside, but yeah. And I do have another Puppetsu. It was pink, but right now I don't have it because in the car it got lost, but yeah. So now moving on to my tooth series. We have this pink tooth, and this one is not really slow rising, but it's cute. I love the eyes and the little headband. So this is the front, the back, and these are all the ones that you can collect. So here I have the pink one. Then I have the blue one. This one is wider than this one. Not really slow rising, so the blue one. And then the green one I haven't made just yet, but I will be making that one very soon. So then we have this little kawaii apple. It's very adorable, and I just really love it. I was gonna call it a teacher's apple or teacher's pet, but that didn't sound right. So I just went with kawaii apple. So then we have this adorable little pineapple. I absolutely adore this one out of all my fruit ones. They are a series, but I haven't wrote series, but yeah. So here's the back, and again, you just open it from here. So yeah, so here's the front. So then we have this little kawaii avocado. And I just adore this one because I just think it's super duper cute, including the eyes. And I might be making a galaxy one, so I might be writing series 1 so I can have a galaxy one. Then we have this adorable, super cute Pop-Tart that I made. I just really love the sprinkles, and this one kind of slow rising. Not really, but I still think it's very cute because of the packaging and the sprinkles and the eyes. So here's the back. And I did run out of the orange, so it's kind of weird right there, but yeah. So here it is. And then we have a few more. So then we have this mini cake roll, and this one is a 3D, so let me get it out for you. is a mini cake roll. And this one isn't super squishy, but yeah, it's 3D. And this one was also inspired by Chelsea DIY. So yeah. And then the last one in the bag is this sushi. I have no idea what I made this. Absolutely no idea. Not squishy at all. I just made it for some reason. But yeah. And then we have this 3D milk that I made just recently. It's kind of slow rising. This says milk on the front. Here are the sides, the little part right here. The back also says milk. And this one was not hard. Comment down below if you would like a tutorial because it wasn't that hard. My milk that I just showed you, I do not have packaging for that one, but I will be making it. So adding to my Papadzu series, I have this original Papadzu pop-up shape. So this is the original. It was just plain white with some brown. Here's the back. So yeah. Alright, and my very last one is my most recent one, which is this donut that I had recently showed you guys in a video, and it's just a plain donut that's pink. So here it is. It's not super squishy, but I mainly like it because it has the circle in the middle, so it's very realistic. Alright guys, so that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. I want you guys to comment down below which was your favorite squishy, because mine out of all of them has to be this strawberry covered banana. That's kind of slow rising. And this Pop-Tart. And this kawaii apple. This one isn't very slow rising, but I still think it's cute. So yeah guys, just comment down below which is your favorite. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post something new. Bye guys!